2023 ते 24 या आर्थीक वर्सा खातीरच्या अर्थसंकल्पात रो फेरी विकत घेवपा खातीर 40 कोटींच्या निधीची तरतूद करपाची मागणी मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान केल्या अशी माहिती न्हय येरादारी मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाईन दिल्या। मागणी केल्ल्या प्रमाण तरतूद जाली जाल्यार 4 रो फेरी हाडटले अशें फळदेसाय सांगता।
आमकां फेरी बोट्स आसा पळय न्ही ते टोटल रिवॅम्प करपाक जाय। रिवॅम्प इन अ सेन्स वी नीड टू गेट अ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी। All those ferry boats which are operating on the roads are conventional kind of ferry boats, you know. We can only accommodate 4 or 5, maximum 4 vehicles in one ferry. एक फावटी लाइन आसता 10, 12, 15 हातून आसतात. So ro-ro ferries is the best solution because at a time you can take 10, 12 ferries. आणि ताका ते टर्न घेवपाक नाका, दोन्ही सायडीनी रॅम्प करपाचे, दोन्ही सायडीनी फोर व्हीलर्स विल एंटर एंड दे विल गो स्ट्रेट, दे विल नॉट टेक टर्न विदिन द फेरीज अदर सायड आयले भितर गेले एंड इट वुड बी अ डबल स्पीड विथ द सेम कायंड ऑफ थिंग। सो एक म्हणजे कितें 2-3 पार्टींनी चड लोड व्हरपाक मेळटा। सेकंडली ताका मिनिमम 50% टायम लागतलो क्रॉस ओवर करपा खातीर। सो फेरी इज नॉट टेकिंग टर्न, speed is faster. The third thing is the vehicles which come in the ferries, they don't make a turn, so they go straight. Everything is very smooth. एक फावटी आयली सुटली एवढ्यान लागली एवढ्यान बराबर लोक गेले त्या सायडीन दुसरे वटच्यान गेले। वी नीड टू मेक अ बजेटरी प्रोविजन because when I took over this department there was no budget for such a kind of ferries. Now this year's budget we have specially put and the chief minister has told us that we will take a new technology, new system. And initially we will see to that in another 4 आता जो 2 conventional ferries आसा ताजे खातीर budget आशिल्ले we are constructing 2 conventional ferries which are expected within 4 months time. Okay. So 2 more ferries will join but they are of the old technology but with a greater speed with double engine kind of thing. पण ताका ते round मारचोच पडटा. So now henceforth whichever order that we are placing we will see to that those are ro-ro ferries. Roughly 8 to 10 for vehicles which are carrying around 10 4-wheelers varpache taka ek sadharan 10 crores I have asked for 40 crores. Okay. If all 40 crores चार होता शकता कळ्ळें न्ही. If it is curtailed then 2 तरी येतल्यो.